Universal Kids Resort is getting closer and closer to opening, and exciting progress is happening all across the resort. While Universal has not officially announced an opening day, it feels like the announcement could be coming soon. Universal has also been sharing new sneak peeks of the park across social media, giving fans even more reason to get excited. And thanks to Diservations, we've been able to get some incredible looks at what's happening inside the resort. If you want to stay up to date with Universal Kids Resort, be sure to follow Diservations on X and check out Diservations.com. The link will be in the description box below. Today we have a lot of updates to cover, including hotel activity, ride testing, new signs, playgrounds, murals, and more. So let's jump right in. Here's one of the biggest recent updates. Universal team members from Orlando and Hollywood have reportedly arrived at the resort and are currently staying at the Universal Kids Resort Hotel in Frisco, Texas. It appears they may be helping local staff prepare for daily hotel operations ahead of the grand opening. Ride shares have been seen dropping people off at the hotel, and an A-frame sign near the entrance showed that the hotel is still closed to the public. At this time, a team member ID was required to enter. According to Diservations and multiple sources, hotel operations may now be running 24 hours a day, allowing team members to experience the resort the same way future guests will. This creates an interesting question. Could Universal open the hotel before the park officially opens? When Epic Universe was preparing to launch, Universal opened 3 new hotels months before the theme park officially opened. Could they follow a similar strategy here? Or will the hotel and park open together? Another major milestone is the installation of the new Universal Kids Resort entrance signs. When the first signs were installed, the word kids was missing, but now those letters have been added and the signs appear complete. There are 4 of these signs around the resort. This was the last of the 4 bases to receive concrete before the signs were installed. One of the newest signs was recently added at the Dallas Parkway and Universal Parkway intersection. I really love the bright geometric shapes and playful colors used in these signs. They perfectly match the fun energy and family-friendly atmosphere of a kids' theme park. A 3rd sign can now be seen at the park entrance, and while the 4th sign had not been installed when these photos were taken, it has likely gone up by now. Now let's move inside the park because attraction testing is officially underway. Testing has begun on Swings Over Del Mar, the only ride located inside the Puss in Boots Del Mar themed land. This attraction can reach speeds of up to 11 RPMs and will give riders the feeling of soaring through the air. It also has one of the highest height requirements in the park at 42 inches. This ride is manufactured by Zamperla and features both single and double seats, allowing children to ride alongside a parent. The Puss in Boots land will also include a live show called Mama Luna's Adopt-A-Kitty Day. One of the most recent videos Universal shared highlighted the Minions Bello Bay Club area. This land will feature 2 rides along with a play area. The first attraction is Bello Bay Cruise, a water raft ride. We were able to see the ride vehicles before they were placed into the attraction system. And in more recent days, the ride area has been filled with water for testing. The second ride is Bello Bay Golf Cart Derby. The ride vehicles for this one look absolutely adorable, with a minion painted right on the front. We also got a small peek inside the land, where minion-shaped facades have now been installed on the buildings. This land will also include shopping and food locations, including Bello Bay Boutique and Bello Bay Bites. So one of those newly themed buildings could be one of those locations. Universal Kids Resort will feature 2 roller coasters, and both have now been testing. The first is Rhonda's Trollfest Express, located in DreamWorks Trollfest. This is the bright pink coaster where guests will ride inside the armadillo bus. The second coaster nearby is Jurassic World Cretaceous Coaster. This attraction introduces a new character named Bumpy the Ankylosaurus, and during the ride, guests will help search for Bumpy because he has gone missing. The main Universal Kids Resort sign was installed earlier this month. This sign sits directly in front of the entrance to both the park and hotel and should become one of the top photo ops when the resort opens. Guests will walk through the hotel in order to enter the park, and we can already see several ceiling fans installed throughout the entrance walkway. Another attraction that has started testing is Hair in the Clouds, located inside DreamWorks Troll Fest. This may be a more gentle family ride, but it could also offer some fantastic views across the park. DreamWorks Troll Fest is shaping up to be one of the lands packed with plenty to do. It will feature 2 shows, King Trollok's Techno Dance Party and Trolls-tastic Concert Countdown, a Trolls-themed amphitheater stage show where kids can help lead sound check and learn fun dance moves. Guests can also enjoy a makeover experience that sparkle, shine, glitter, glow with the unique Trollify Me experience. And back at the beginning of March, the Catter Bus playset was spotted being installed. This will be part of the playground inside DreamWorks Troll Fest. Fans of the Trolls movies will recognize the Catter Bus as the Trolls' unique mode of transportation. The hotel has also received colorful murals painted across its walls to represent the different lands inside Universal Kids Resort. I believe the most recent mural completed was a Shrek mural. The mural features Shrek, Puss in Boots, and Donkey. Other murals include Gabby from Gabby's Dollhouse, SpongeBob, and Trolls featuring Poppy and Branch. These murals capture the bright, playful energy of the resort perfectly. Every land inside Universal Kids Resort will feature a play area, and Diservations was able to capture workers bringing in and assembling the playground inside Jurassic World Adventure Camp. This area includes tall play towers that should offer some great views across the park. Another exciting addition is a Stegosaurus play structure that has now been installed inside the land. That's all the updates I have for now, but things are clearly moving fast at Universal Kids Resort. An official opening date may be announced very soon. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Universal news. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the parks.